Well, here they are, folks. We call them the Sweet 16. Oh, look at them. Hey, puppies. Oh, my goodness, look at this. They're just all over the place. Oh, my goodness. Puppies everywhere. This is how we get them sociable. Guaranteed them to be sociable. Look at them rascals. They're wanting to get right up here in your face and play with you and everything else. They like to play with everybody else too, don't they? Can you get one of them? Get me a good close shot of one. Ouch! Boy, you bit my leg.
Picking up one.
Ouch. Okay, that's good. Let them all play with it. I like barking too, don't they? Look at all of them. Boy, I guarantee you, some folks are going to have fun with Christmas, puppies. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Here, pull this towel over here, honey. Pull this right over here. Let me get a little closer shot of them. They like tugging on it.
Yes, they do.
Oh, yeah. There you go. That's good. Oh, look at that. Oh, my goodness. They're just all over the place. We got a microchip so we don't never get them mixed up. Oh, goodness. I mean, Christmas puppies. Some little bitty youngins are going to get all excited. The hell, somebody had an accident right there. And it's going to clean it up. Oh, yeah, they like to play. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're checking her out now. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Maybe you can find the one you picked out. Oh, yeah. Let them run. Look at that. Now, do you think you can get them to get you to follow that all the way up there and back with them? Call them?
Babies, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Well, maybe they won't.
Come on. There you go. Get it. Get it. Come on.
We got a new building here. It's real nice too. We ain't got posters up there or pictures. Okay. There we go. We'll talk at you later.